Hello friends, from this video we will be starting a new video series in which we will be discussing all the searching and sorting problems from the CSES problem set. So this is the first video from the video series in which we will be discussing the problem number 1 from sorting and searching section. The problem is distinct numbers. So the problem is you are given a list of n integers and your task is to calculate the number of distinct values in the list. Basically you are given n integers, a number could be repeated, an integer could be repeated once or it could be repeated many number of times. You have to calculate how many unique values or distinct values are there in the list. The input is an integer n, which is the total number of values, the number of occurrences. Then the second line has n integers. All the numbers are given in this line. We have to simply output the number of distinct values. A single integer we will be outputting, which will be the number of distinct values. Now constraints are n is greater than or equals to 1, lesser than or equals to 2 into 10 raised to power 5, xi is greater than or equals to 1, lesser than or equals to 10 raised to power 9. Okay. So our solution should be working in nearly n log n, because we are given 2 into 10 raised to power 5 size of our data. We are given a sample case which we can see. Let me move to the whiteboard, although it is a very simple problem. Now what we are given is 1 second. Now what we are given is there are total 5 numbers, 2, then 3, then 2, then again 2, and then 3. These are the 5 numbers given to us. Now what we have to do is we have to count the total number of distinct integers in this set. Now 1, how we will know what the answer will be. Then this is our first distinct value. Then this is our second distinct value. Now this value is repeating. We have already counted 2, so we won't be counting 2 again. Again we are getting 2, so we won't be counting it. Then at last we are again having 3, so we won't be counting it. So total number of distinct integers is 2. Now what would be the approach for solving this problem? If you will think once, you can easily think about what we can use or do in this problem. Simply we will be creating a set and keep on inserting all our integers in that set, because set holds only unique values. Set never holds a value again and again. So when we will insert a value multiple times, set will hold only one occurrence of that particular integer. So let me start coding the problem. So firstly we are given integer n. We will be taking input n. Then we will be creating a set integer of name as. Then we will be running a loop for integer I is equals to 0, I is lesser than n, I plus plus. Let's say we are taking an integer temporary, then c input temporary. Now s dot insert. We are inserting our temp into the set, and finally we will display s dot size, and our problem is solved. Let's check it for the test cases. So first let's test it for the sample case. It's working all right. So let's submit it. As you can see, our problem is successfully submitted for all the test cases. If you still have any doubt or query, you can mention that in comment. I will definitely reply to that. And if you like my solution for this problem, please continue with this video series. I will be keep on posting solutions for the rest of the problems as well. Thank you everyone.